Natry ko na yung branch nila sa Alabang, pero ang balita ko bago daw ang concept nila dito sa Taft branch nila. Hey Jorelskis! Today we are visiting Cantina Agridobo along Taft Avenue sa tapat lang ng Lasal. So once you arrive, pila ka muna to order. Pili ka between the basic plate, has one ulam with white plain rice. That's for 195. In fairness naman, marami kang pwedeng pagpilian. Pero para sa akin, mas sulit yung bento plate for as low as 295 pesos. After which you pay and then pick up your order. Ito yung bento plate nila, sobrang sulit, diba? Meron na siyang soup, sinampalukan yung soup that I got. For my sides, I choose the okoy. In fairness, crispy pa rin siya, malasa at bagay dun sa suka. For my mains, ang in-order ko yung barbecue liempo with bagoong rice. Medyo a bit thin yung slice ng pork, and to be honest, a bit too sweet for my liking. Buti na lang na partner ko siya with bagoong rice, medyo contrasting yung flavors. For my drinks, tinry ko yung tamarind iced tea. In fairness, masarap siya and refreshing. May kasamang dessert pala yung bento plate ha, may ice candy sila, so nostalgic. Pero meron din sila mga ibang desserts na mga bingsu halo-halo at pati na rin ang scramble. Tinry ko yung ube bingsu halo-halo nila.